Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will show you a 2.5 kilos EPS grape mold. It's a quite small box for packaging the grape, and the space is very limited. It cannot put one piece of 30mm EPS filling gun and two pieces of 36mm EPS ejector, so we took some optimization. From the video, it can be seen that the hole for placing the EPS filling gun has two optimizations: U-shaped step and filling gun limit. You can see there is a U-shaped step in the position of the mold cavity. There is a limit at the back side of the EPS filling gun. The function of the two optimizations is to prevent the mold from being damaged due to the collision of installing the EPS filling gun. And make sure the surface of the EPS filling gun head is as high as the surface of the EPS mold. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.